So, these are clearly the testicles. They reside usually in the fur-covered sac, which is the scrotum down here. Okay? Testicles. The testicle is covered with a membrane. That's the vaginalis. And if we look at the testy itself, so here's the testy, this round part, right? This part here is kind of like a little C. This is the epididymis. That all leads up into the spermatic cord, which is here, which also includes the artery and the vein. And if it had any peritoneal membrane left, we would see that that spermatic cord has to come through into the abdomen. And sometimes where it comes through that membrane can rip, and you get an inguinal hernia when you have the intestines getting forced out through the hole out of the abdomen. Once we get into the abdomen, we have a fork here. There's a fork in the road. The artery and the vein go on up. Either they're coming down from the aorta or the vena cava. And then the spermatic cord branches off this way. Okay? And this, what I'm pulling on here, is his urinary bladder, right here. And this tube are the ureters coming down from the kidneys. Did you do this in lecture already?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the ureters. The spermatic cord comes through into the abdomen, crosses over the ureters on this side and on this side. See that? Okay. And then they come down. Yeah, okay. It's a little hard to see. But the spermatic cord comes down, and right about there, it dumps into the urethra. Okay, this is the urethra coming out of the bladder. The spermatic cords join with the urethra down here. Okay. Where the heck is his penis? Oh, here it is. Okay, this is the penis. This is the glans penis. This is the shaft of the penis. This is the crus penis up here. That's just the ligaments and the muscle that attach it to the body wall. And that's really all you can see on this poor fellow. Do we have a kidney in here? Yeah. The kidneys over here. That's your kidney. Okay, and you can actually see renal veins and arteries on this guy. Right there. Okay. And then coming down is the ureter, all the way down here. And the ureters join in down here to the bladder. Okay, and then again the urethra out of the body. Okay? If we look at our big boy testicle here, okay, this is our bull testicle. This up here is the spermatic cord and cremaster muscle. And you need a lot of muscle on this because this guy has to go up into the abdomen if it's cold. Shrinkage. Remember that episode? Okay, you need a lot of muscle to pull that sucker up. Okay, so it's cremaster muscle and spermatic cord in here. If we look at the testicle itself, there are two membranes that surround it. The vaginalis, tunica vaginalis, is the outer one. The albuginea is the inner one. Get those out of the way. There it is. Okay. This is the testes. This right here, this kind of C-shaped piece, is the epididymis. That all leads up into the spermatic cord. And this dense material in here, this is all the seminiferous tubules where the sperm is actually produced. You can't really see those unless you have a microscope. So the sperm is produced here. It's sent through the epididymis up the spermatic cord and on its way. Good? Okay. The other thing we need to look at is the models. Why don't you stay here and I'll bring the models back. I need your video.
Did you get any video on female camera?
Not yet.
She hasn't done the female cat yet.
Yeah.
I didn't get involved with the cat.